In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot for e-commerce email marketing. If you're managing an online store, email marketing is an essential tool in your marketing arsenal. It allows you to connect with your customers directly, promote your products, and drive sales effectively. And what better platform to use than HubSpot? With its range of tools and intuitive interface, it makes managing your email marketing campaigns a breeze. Let's dive in and get started. First, you'll want to log in to your HubSpot account. If you don't have an account yet, no worries, it's easy to sign up. Just head over to HubSpot's website and follow the registration process. Once you're logged in, you'll be greeted by HubSpot's clean dashboard. It's user-friendly and designed to help you access everything you need easily. From the dashboard, you'll need to navigate to the Marketing section. Hover over this menu and select Email. This will take you to the Email Management area, which is the main hub for all your email marketing activities. Here you can create, manage, and analyze your email campaigns. Next, you'll be opening a marketing email. HubSpot provides two convenient options. You can either select a pre-made email template or choose to create a new one from scratch. If you're looking for inspiration or want something ready to go, the pre-made templates are a fantastic choice. They're well-designed and customizable to fit your brand's aesthetics. On the other hand, if you have a specific vision or campaign in mind, creating a new email allows for a high degree of personalization. After selecting or creating your email, it's time to add modules. Modules in HubSpot are flexible blocks that allow you to insert various elements into your email. These can include text, images, buttons, and more. Think about what elements will best convey your message and resonate with your audience. Tailor the content to highlight your products, offer special deals, or share exciting news. Once your email is crafted to your satisfaction, head over to the Preview and Test section. Here, you can see exactly how your email will appear to your recipients. HubSpot allows you to preview your email in both desktop and mobile formats, ensuring it looks great on any device. This step is crucial as it lets you catch any errors or design issues before the email goes out. Finally, when everything looks perfect, it's time to finish composing your email. Review your content, check for any last-minute changes, and decide when to send it out. You can send it immediately or schedule it for a later date. Scheduling your emails can be particularly useful if you want your marketing to hit inboxes at an optimal time. And there you have it. With these steps, you're well on your way to mastering e-commerce email marketing using HubSpot. Remember, effective email marketing drives engagement and converts leads into customers. So take your time, experiment with different strategies, and watch your e-commerce business grow.